All right, it's been said that necessity breeds invention, and well, of course, technology plays a big part in innovation. And at NCS, technology is a big part of what we do. So, in the midst of the pandemic, we decided to partner with the health department to create these medical face shields. And there's been a process and a story behind this. We're going to take a look at what is happening at Reston Community Center with Robert O'Quinn from NCS Technology.
About a month ago, there was a special report on CNN about this couple in New York that happens to own a 3D printing company, and they decided to make face shields for the local hospital. Well, word made it back to authorities and officials within Fairfax County government, and they were like, hey, we have clubhouses with 3D printers. Why don't we do the same thing? All right, so then it got a little complicated. We tried to find the right model we could use on the 3D printers. We were doing these for the health department, so we had to take some models to the health department to get their approval. We had to get a legally signed document for the Office of the County Attorney to approve that we could do it. A lot of back and forth. We finally came up with a model that the health department was already using that didn't even need a 3D printed part. But we already had all the supplies. We were already going to have to cut all these materials. So now we moved into phase 2. We're saving some time by not having to do the 3D printed part. The Fairfax County libraries have been helping us the whole time, coming up with everything we need. They're also having staff come by. But if you look around the room, here's one of our rolls of vinyl that Chris Scales and his team, Andrea Argote, Rhonda Reams, they helped us get the vinyl. As you see, this is about, this was a 55-yard roll. What we do is we have someone on our team cut it into 14.5-inch sections, and those sections are then cut into 9.5-inch, 10-inch sections, or that's actually, maybe that's 12 inches by 15, and those are then cut into something this size.
Now I'm just setting the vinyl down and making sure it's the right size so to go through the machine right there. And Maria's already done with her piece right there.
Almost finished. This is finished. We just click here, we set it down, and it will pretty much peel out very easily. So it will come out like this, and then we have it like this, and it's very clean.
Yeah.
Hi, my name is Michelle. I normally work at the Reston Regional Library, part of Fairfax County Public Library. I'm so excited to be here today to be able to work with NCS to help put together these face shields for the health department. Thank you to Margaret Kosich, our IT director, for helping make this partnership possible.
This is a fabric-coated foam that goes on top of this foam that when you put it together, you come up with a strip of foam like this. It's 1.25 inches, and what you want to do after that, stick it on using some of this adhesive like we have right here. Stick that on the vinyl. We have elastic that goes across. Secure the elastic, and voila, you have a face shield.